Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 combines these functions, but does it deliver on its promises? In this review, we dive deep into the Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1. This machine aims to bring versatility to your creative projects. With 3 functions in one device, it promises to save space and money. We will explore its features, performance, and ease of use. By the end, you will know if this machine is the right fit for your needs. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, our review will provide the insights you need. Let's uncover the strengths and weaknesses of this multifunctional tool. Keep reading to discover if Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 meets your expectations. Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1. The Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 offers versatile functionality with 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. Users appreciate its sturdy build and user-friendly interface. This machine suits hobbyists and professionals alike, providing a range of creative possibilities. The Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 is a versatile machine that combines 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. It offers hobbyists and professionals a flexible tool for various projects. Let's dive into the specifics. Design and build quality. The Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 boasts a robust build. Its aluminum alloy frame ensures durability. The sleek design also adds a modern touch. Sturdy frame reduces vibrations during operations. Modular design allows easy switching between functions. Touchscreen interface simplifies user control and navigation. Functionality. This machine excels in its multifunctionality. Users can seamlessly switch between 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. 3D printing produces detailed and precise objects. Laser engraving offers fine detail on various materials. CNC carving, suitable for cutting and shaping harder materials. User experience. Many users appreciate the intuitive interface. The touchscreen simplifies the setup and operation. The modularity also stands out, making transitions between functions smooth. Software and compatibility. Snapmaker's software is user-friendly. It supports multiple file formats and integrates well with various design programs. Supports multiple file formats, ensures flexibility. Compatible with popular design software, eases the design process. Regular updates keep the software reliable and up-to-date. Snapmaker Artisan 3-in-1 pros and cons. Pros, build quality. Sturdy aluminum frame reduces vibrations. User-friendly, intuitive interface, easy to switch between functions. Ease of use. Simple setup, beginner-friendly. Cons, no major cons explicitly mentioned in the provided text. However, potential cons could include factors like cost, potential for noise, maintenance requirements, and learning curve for advanced features. Frequently asked questions. What are the main features of Snapmaker Artisan? Snapmaker Artisan offers 3-in-1 functionality, 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving. It has a large work area. How easy is it to set up Snapmaker Artisan? Setting up Snapmaker Artisan is simple. The modular design makes assembly straightforward. Clear instructions guide you through each step. Can beginners use Snapmaker Artisan effectively? Yes, beginners can use it effectively. The user-friendly interface and comprehensive guides make it accessible to all skill levels.